Hello everyone. I welcome you all in the new 3ds Max tutorial, which is uh, about the advanced 3D modeling tool, which is Editable Poly. Previously, we learned about Editable Spline. So Editable Spline, yes, we showed in the tutorial that with the editable spline we can work with the line and we can do so many things. We can create complex modify complex objects, 3D objects. So previously there are two options. There were two options, is like when we can go for a box creation. Let's say this is the box. We had an editable mesh and editable poly. So editable mesh was the oldest version of this type of category, this type of advanced modeling, and then the next is editable poly. So the only difference is like editable mesh is when you convert it in editable mesh, you see on the modifier list, this is a normal box. You just convert it to editable mesh. Let's say convert to editable mesh. When you convert, there are the face is actually the model is segmented into a triangle. This is the edge, this is the face, this is polygon, and this is the element, and this is segments. Okay, so we will not focus on editable mesh because of editable poly is the more advanced than the editable mesh, and editable mesh is bit old rather than the editable poly. So let's say what we can do, this is a box. So let's say we have to off the grid, and let's say we convert to editable poly. Okay, just click on convert to editable poly. As soon as we convert, there is no triangle, only the square. Okay, these are the poly. Okay, so you see this is, remember, see on the mouse, this is vertex, this is edge, this is border, this is polygon, and this is the element. So remember about the editable spline, something like these are the selection criteria. Okay, so right now you have several options available to you. Let's say I go for the vertex, so I can select the vertex. You see, you can select them. You can see this one, the one vertex, two vertex, three vertex. The vertex is actually the meeting points. Okay, the vertex is meeting point. Let's say I can select them. Okay, so let's say I can manipulate them also. Let's say I can drag this one, I can drag this one, I can drag it like this one. Okay, so whatever changes we can do, it's like we can play with it. Okay, and we can also accidentally delete this one. So okay, no problem. Yeah, and then this is the first category, the vertex. Okay, the vertex. Okay, and this is the edge category. When we go to the edge category, you can select the edge. I mean, the edge is the line. Okay, the line we can do like this, whatever we want to do. Okay, like this. Okay, something like this, very interesting. Okay, yeah, and this is the border is something like like let's say we have to create a hole. Okay, let me show you. Let's say let's say this one. Okay, the polygon. Let me show you the border in a bit. But show you the polygon first. Let's say the polygon. When you click the polygon, let's say the polygon faces. You see, I can select them. I can select them. Okay, I can select them. Okay, so the box has usually six faces, so six polygon. Let's say I can do this. I that thing. Okay, I can do this. Okay, so the border, what is the border? Actually, the edge, the border thing do. Let's say I select and I delete this hollow. Okay, so this is like a hollow. So how can I select the edges? Go for the border. You select the border. See, now you can select the border. When it is you can select the border. Okay, okay. And then the element is the, you can select the full object, full 3D object. Okay, you can select the full object. So this is guys, this is the polygonal component. So you can see, you can tell that it's a component based function. So you have like the spline, you have 1 2 3 4 5 components. The first one is vertex, second one is edge, third one is border, fourth one is polygon, and the final one is element. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 options. And like I said previously, like the spline, as you can go to this one, you have some options. You see the options, you click on this one, you see the options. You click on this one, you see the options. You click on this one, you see the options. Okay, you click on this one, you see the option. Okay, so every segment, these are like segment, every segment has its own commands and parameters and all that things, and some of them are available for all five, like attach and detach. Later I will show it to you, but the different commands and different options may be listed below here. So you have to do your advanced modeling through this modifier, actually this option. So guys, bye for now actually. So support me, support my channel, and stay connected. So this is the editable poly I'm starting. So this is the tool, this is the only tool professionals these tools for advanced modeling, and so these are called poly modeling. Okay, you may heard this name, that poly modeling, polygonal modeling, or poly modeling. Stay tuned to learn the basics, and I will go deeper step by step. So keep supporting me, keep supporting my channel, and stay connected. Thank you very much.